Hello guys, we go here a Jeep Renegade 2016 model. So we're going to replace a fuse for the cigarette lighter. So we have one fuse box over here and the and one fuse box under there, and I'll show you where's the tricky one. So and the one fuse box under this compartment, so we had to remove those nut to remove the cubby hole. So once we remove, it's underneath here, so I'll show you how to do that. As you can see, so there is a one hidden fuse box under the glove compartment. So so cigarette lighter fuse located over here. Yeah, so had to put everything back together, and yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you with another video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see day-to-day new videos. Yeah, thank you guys, see you with another video.